Yo, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step guide on how you can simply transfer money from Amex Credit Card to bank account. So I'm going to walk you through two different methods at which you can use to transfer money. So make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and also hit the subscribe button because that actually helps me out. So let's get started. The first method is to transfer money from the Amex Credit Card to bank is through cash advance if available in your region. So to use this method, which is the cash advance, you have to withdraw cash from the ATM using your Amex credit card, then deposit the cash into your bank account, then also check fee and interest rates before using this option. Then after that, you can also use this method, which is use a third-party app like PayPal or a Venmo. So link your Amex credit card to your PayPal or your Venmo, then transfer funds to your linked bank account. And this is important note that transaction fee is applied whenever you are making this transaction, and also balance transfer to a bank account is limited and availability, and some banks allows a balance transfer from Amex to a bank account. And also you can contact your bank or Amex support to check the eligibility, and that's how you can simply transfer money from your Amex credit card to bank account. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.